All right, well, a good afternoon, everyone. It's Tony coming to you live from the Finish the Race car show here at Calvary Temple in Sterling, Virginia. As you can see, we are over top all the cars here today. It's just been an unbelievable turnout. Perfect weather, perfect spring day, and we're excited for you to join us. Make sure you check out more videos that we bring to you throughout the day at Finish the Race VA on YouTube. You can check us out there, or find us at Calvary Temple VA on YouTube. We're very excited to have you here. Remember, we'll be doing another show in August, so if you didn't get to come out and do this one, please come out and join us in August, and we'll be back with you with many videos throughout the day. And thanks for checking in with us here at Calvary Temple. It's Tony signing out for now.